波粒個過頭波意肯得唔得啊？咪92碼係咪咧？哇！呢個波打到頭啊！哇！
俾咗12碼，黃牌都俾咗。好啦，有機會。哦，交俾肥鵬射，早年路唔係射，早年路都係識你嘅啫，原來。史提芬彭利娜，靠你啦，肥鵬，幫我哋領先得唔得？肥鵬小跳步入啊！入晒，中內柱帶入史提芬彭利娜。
Remember that?
What number 10?
79-1.
77.1 Fernando.
Point 1? You lie? 78. Vai começar aqui os 30. Beijo. Dá tchau. Dá tchau. Dá tchau. Bye bye. Dá tchau.
Pardon.
Hey, how about the first one? You...
No, it wasn't.
It's true. It's true.
It already started. Ah, don't cry. Come here.
Aê, Pete! Boa, pai, tá 5-4 agora. Não, 4-1.
Eles ligaram de novo, pô, já ligou.
Vai voltar, cara. Vai voltar, vamos passar por baixo aqui, ó.
Everybody get a ball, get on the ball. We're in this quadrant here. Just get moving around. Just get moving again, guys. Just get moving. Any way you like.
No.
Right.
Use the whole space,
Yeah,
guys.
should wear them.
Come up to here, use the whole space.
Oh.
Okay, good. Hey. Vale. Hey. It's not good. Yes. Good.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Ah. Hey, come on.
This one you must send me. That was a good one.食 buffet 最期待一刻食 buffet 或者諗。
呢位兄弟，
轉咗少少個髮型，吹翻高少少。
呢個大兜嘅，
喂，兄弟，喂，
我唔使。
啱啱嗰個訓練你覺得點？
今日我訓練下真係好，質量好。
係，sorry。Are you mate?
Yo, because of you now I look fat.
Film that. That place.
Oh my.
Happy birthday, Mike.
差唔多啦，差唔多，夠啦，夠啦。
差唔多，差唔多。
你一路影我，你一路影我一路筆㗎。
Sudah para la encima. Did you try this before? No, why not? You don't like it? Behind the sun, huh? Behind the sun. So focused. Moita. Mohamed? That is plate is here? Again? Too much pressure, huh? Docinho, cara. Come close. Ah, yo voy a ver 15, te voy a encontrar Felipe ahí ahora. Yummy. Hello. Piensa. Eita, porque me lo ve.
Diz uma canta.
Você tá em Pampelela.
Yeah, you know, pace it, right?
But left side is my...
No, one more time for the just one pace because yeah, we got to do the video. Okay, then photo taking. Have you take a photo first?
Yeah.
You don't have any photos.
You're the last one. Come in here. Move. I'm physio. I need to do very Please, come.
You go later.
The physio will wait. The physio will
No,
wait.
I am
The
first than
physio will
you.
wait.
Michael.
The physio will wait.
Okay, good.
You already?
Okay, excellent. Yeah. Okay, then now we take a photo.
Michael, you in the photo, Michael.
Side to this way.
Are you the cameraman? If he tells me I'm in the photo, I'll leave.
Michael, the last one, Michael.
If you want one,
if
if
you
I'm
have
physio,
physio,
you wait.
You
But
Everybody
go
go
physio,
early.
you come back. Or you go physio, you come back.
No.
No.
1, 2, 3, action.
The guy is
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Fica quieto, pô, vai demorar, pô.
Too much time left.
Peraí, cara. You see, this video will be very quick.
Let's go.
Come on.
Puxa não.
Don't do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No, you don't have physio. No.
Michael, no, you just arrived. You wait.
Thank you.
The physio will wait.
I'm in 5 minutes.
really quick, Michael.
5 minutes.
I swear.
He can go free.
Good. Hold
One more.
longer.
Okay.
Hold. 1, 2, 3, go. Một, hai, ba. 另一邊。不過緊要喐咗啦。 第二盤。
喂，隻仲得就係一隻啊。
Yeah, OK， 得嚟多盤。
呢個咧就。
好，1、2、3。2、3。
好尷尬，冇燦爛啊，笑容。
再嚟個。
喊唔中意。
你隻腳唔使喐㗎，就係個身。
我明白 ，sorry。
我俾你示範一次。
OK， 1、2、3，請。
好靚啊
Right action。OK 嘅，其實 OK 嘅。
OK 啊，好。
1、2、3。
嚟到就係新場館啦嚇，亦都係座無虛席嘅啦。先交代一隻主隊香港嘅陣容先啊，和哥。
好啊，咁啊先睇睇今日嘅出場陣容啊。咁啊門將方面咧，1號嘅葉鴻輝啦，咁啊後衞方面有17號嘅陳俊恩、21號嘅余子南、3號嘅周彥德同埋4號嘅鐘樂安嘅。咁啊中場方面咧就有16號嘅陳俊樂啦、12號嘅費蘭道、14號嘅李小恆同埋23號嘅孫明軒。咁啊仲有前邊嘅10號嘅係洛迪古斯同埋7號嘅祖連奴啊。
哇！真係勁抽喎！呢個大型嘅 Tifo 啊嚇，大型嘅一觸即發啊！中國香港足球代表隊啊，主場對住一隻印度嘅賽事，迎攻啊又攻咗主場，余哲都加入戰團先喎。對住呢邊就係高拿高，背脊頂翻住，跪低，少少夾住個波，再去買，
摳啦呢個波，反而摳魚南啊呢個波啊！咁啊，你見到祖連奴舉起雙手就話對方侵犯佢啦，但係球證就冇吹到嘅。
先啦， 小恒攞翻落嚟，有人 overlap 謝一仔，謝一仔過橋右腳強射埋去，打彈地冇乜威脅性喎，可惜。
呢個波
聲翻上嚟，俾多次機會你啊，小恒彎到埋嚟啊，唔得啊，未到住啊，法蘭道唔緊要，孫銘夾戰團。背脊頂翻住對面嘅守衞，炸俾射先，回翻轉頭再撞埋你，3打3，避過到嘛，過唔到，執翻成個左腳拉，吹罰咗先，吹罰咗先啊！
哇，咁樣扭波大件事啦，俾對方就偷得咗，推埋嚟傳埋中間位置，有冇啊？哎呀！哇，估唔到突然間會出隻左腳嘅，其實右腳就好好笑。
係啊，奇怪啲喎，古路尼恩。咁呢下先做咗，尤其是嚟到上半場臨尾階段嗱，半打紅衫布遠處位置，最
道氣先，再扯埋嚟，唔係好夠高，不過仲有機會搶得，篤到啊！哎呀，俾對方啊拉二包到，呢個波篤落去啊，俾生到啊，真係慘啊！呢個波，唉。
走完得啊嚇，先，未出界，法蘭道得翻停，換翻右腳，照腳高波遠處位置，孫銘謙頭槌 set 翻轉頭，呢邊改唔晒，再鬥射落去，落地古斯有冇手球？有冇手球？球證係沒有手球啊！
球證話冇，唔得嘅，一陣間有冇 VR 睇下嚇？
沒有 VR，我覺得可惜，係啦。
真係
咁就冇計啦。咁上半場就補多20零秒鐘，亦都係圓滿結束㗎啦。呢一場咧就係亞洲盃外圍賽事啊嚇，中國香港對住印度上半場係0-0平手，互交白卷，互無紀錄。咁攻勢就嚟一陣望一陣嘅都係，咁印度咧就組團都比較多色。0-0平手先啊嚇，咁當然啦，各位球迷入場就梗係希望睇多啲精彩入球啦，睇下邊個可以成為今日第一個嘅入球者啦，喂！
係啊！
先，祖連奴、孫銘謙對兩個扯到埋遠處位置，哎哇，射埋中間，哎呀，可惜呢位冇嚟到界開得啦。祖連奴左腳攞粒，哇，想陰你喎，似乎。
直射啊！
係啊，
真係後邊喺度即係拍晒氣咁喺度啊！
上下半場都試過，今次係如何先啊？佢射遠處位置，再喂，唔得啊，可惜啊！
呢下就
小範圍成功逼搶，再叫翻轉頭嚟接孫銘謙，可惜俾到自己有。
哎呀！
余子南殺到埋出咗余子南犯規喎。
大家一齊出。
好啦，今日入場人數42570啊，超過4萬名球迷入現場欣賞呢一場咧就亞洲盃外圍賽賽事。嚟到高拿高咯，今次係咪好前途啊喂？拖甚至有送個地波埋嚟，俾唔到米高啊，可惜。
呢個波
斌仔就入睇下樂仔啦，呢個就合理嘅。位換位，換個體力衝配入嚟就頂埋呢段嘅時間。咁另外咧就法蘭道都退下火線啦，由史蒂芬彭利拿入嚟啊。今次入到都係未
批到嘅，呢下米高啊！咁俾對方扼住咗嚟就係完全係好難話真係鬆容咁樣頂到波嘅。
香港對住印度嘅次循環對碰咧，就出年嘅事㗎啦嚇。今年會再發生。
哇！呢下就個倒掛就相當之搶鏡啊！見到艾華真係要波用高波甩個過頭波，呢下得唔得啊？咪92碼係咪咧？哇！呢個波打到個頭啊！哇！
俾咗12碼，黃牌都俾咗。好啦，有機會。
啊！真係做到嘢啊 ，Michael！ 真係。
搏到啦！呢下攏埋去啊！真係
嗱，真係你後生，你一定有咁嘅拼勁先得㗎嘛，係又走唔
機會1分變3分，緊張時刻，韋斯會緊張，荷蘭特緊張，球迷緊張，港波佬一樣緊張啊！電腦喎，
而家就睇睇米高有冇暈先嚇。似乎就即係手拍到下啫，唔係話太過嚴重嘅啫。
係，但係真係打中咗佢面上嘅肌膚㗎嚇。哦，交俾肥棒射，祖連奴唔係射，祖連奴都係識你嘅啫，原來。交俾史蒂芬彭利拿，靠你啦，肥棒，幫我哋領先得唔得？肥棒小跳步入啊！入曬，中內轉帶入史蒂芬彭。係，但入就 OK 㗎啦，最緊要係入。因為彭利拿，地波中柱彈入，咁就 OK 晒。香港隊領先1-0。球迷呢個 個慶祝模式叫做波之男啊。咁起源嘅例子一間咧就波蘭球嘅波之男。好啦，希望頂埋落去，仲有少少時間，咁啊有補。
哎呀！
搞掂，搞掂晒，全場完畢，全場完畢。香港隊全取3分，亞洲杯。
香港足球最好嘅一場，結婚咗一場比賽，亦都好彩我哋可以拎咗一場勝利俾大家。多謝大家一場支持，嚟緊仲有好多場比賽，希望你哋繼續支持我哋。上下球隊上一心，球迷都要上下心。Thank you, thank you。即係今日第一次喺主場日間之前嗰個比賽啦，咁我哋都運用咗球迷嗰個氣勢幫我哋去落場比賽。即係我整體嚟講，我覺得香港隊嘅表現係好，即係我哋主導咗成場比賽啦。咁亦都喺臨尾嘅階段都可以靠咗上壓力啲人贏波。咁而家我哋2次有4分，睇到好大優勢。
覺得有冇機會入到亞洲杯啊？
一步一步嚟啦，因為作客孟加同埋作客印度都係呢一個考驗。即係相信呢2場嘅分數加埋今場嘅贏波，係會為球隊帶嚟好大信心。
好開心啊！我都唔知講咩啦，我真係冇嘢好講啦。Come on! We are Hong Kong! Yes! 好正啊！希望可以每一場都4萬人睇，個氣氛都好，即係無論我哋受壓又好，進攻又好，大家幫你打氣啩，即係接埋最後一盡力落去，咁樣為大家睇呢場波。印度贏埋，冇嘢做唔到啦。咁亞洲杯見㗎咯。亞洲杯見。
Yeah, of course, important game. You know, when you're playing in a group of 4, you know, you've got teams that are better ranked than us, if you like, and obviously Singapore are very close to us. It's always going to be tough. But the feeling, you know, is just belief more than anything. No joy, of course, and delighted for the players. I don't think anyone can deny that. You know, they've put an unbelievable effort in there tonight. You know, maximum effort. We've prepared really well. You know, feels like it's been ages since we met up on the 28th of May to obviously prepare for Man United and then prepare for Nepal. But the team spirit, the togetherness was there for everyone to see. You know, staff, players, and of course the fans. You know, that was an incredible turnout from the fans. But we're always grateful for. You know, whether it's 5,000, 8,000, or tonight 42, 43,000. It just shows you that when everybody comes together, when everyone works together, you know what can be achieved. Because let's not forget, India, you know, 120, 127 ranked in the world. We're 153. It was only 12, 18 months ago, India were ranked 96 in the world. So it just shows how far we've come in a short space of time. 8 months or so, whatever the wins are, draws, and 1 loss, and we're just thankful that we got the result because the lads deserved it, and that's all I'm bothered about really. The lads getting a reward. I think if we would have drew, we would have been devastated. So it was nice that we got a goal at the end. It was nice for Stefan to get a goal. You know, he's been a great character since I've been here. He's done fantastic for Southern all season, and I'm happy he got the goal as well.
It's time for media.